Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Huli Huli chicken. First, let's gather our marinade ingredients for this classic Hawaiian dish. You will need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Combine these with 2 cloves of minced garlic and a splash of rice wine vinegar. This sweet and savory blend forms the base of our incredible flavor. After mixing your marinade well, submerge your chicken pieces completely. We recommend using 8 chicken thighs for optimal tenderness and flavor absorption. Let them marinate in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight for the best results. This extended period allows the rich flavors to deeply penetrate the meat, ensuring every bite is bursting with taste. Remember, patience here really pays off for truly tender chicken. Preheat your grill to a medium heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing for indirect cooking. Place the chicken pieces on the grill, turning them every 10 to 15 minutes, which is the Huli part of Huli Huli. As you turn, generously baste the chicken with the reserved marinade. This repeated turning and basting creates a beautiful, caramelized crust and locks in the sweet and tangy flavors. Continue this process for about 45 minutes. To ensure your Huli Huli chicken is perfectly cooked, use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the chicken, avoiding the bone, aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once reached, remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a moist and tender result. A final brush of sauce can be added now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.